While I was waiting to get my window repaired, I still needed to drive, so I got this wrap. Rain, dust, wind, road debris with a broken window, it all just comes straight in. And when you can't get in for a repair right away, you need something that actually works in the meantime. This is Big Tape Crash Wrap, a clear waterproof film that covers damaged windows fast while you wait for a repair. Just make sure your surface is clean and dry before you start. No special tools needed. Just start from the back and work across in vertical strips, overlapping as you go. Press all the edges down firmly, top, bottom, and both sides to lock in place. If you're wondering about adhesion, when it's applied correctly, this stuff holds up. It's thick, flexible, and clear enough that visibility is not an issue. I got the regular size and it was just enough for my 2 windows, so I definitely grabbed the largest size tape wrap. Here it is on my storm window with a hole in it. I added a strip of tape along the seams for extra hold, as it worked just as well. When you're ready to remove it, peel slowly. Any residue, warm soapy water takes it right off. Just keep in mind this is a temporary fix until your repair appointment. I sprayed it down from the outside and from in the inside car completely dry, not a drop got through. And when I push it on it from the outside, you can feel how sturdy it actually holds. I totally recommend this tape wrap, especially if you're dealing with unexpected window damage. I would suggest to keep a roll on hand before you ever even need it.